guys, what's up? Welcome to another math video. For this one, I'll be talking about the product rule as it applies to logarithms. Okay, so basically what I just said. Okay, so the product rule is the logarithm of products, and basically you can split them up into a sum of logarithms. So basically here is an example. Log base b of x, y, and z. So x, y, and z are all multiplied to each other. So we can split these up into the sum of logs. And all you do is separate them like that. That's basically all it is. And you can actually go back and forth. So if you have something expanded like this, sum of logs, you can condense them into a log of product. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so all we're going to do is expand, and you always want to simplify too if you can simplify. Okay, so here we got log base 3 of 27 km, so 27 km is the product of three things. So we can split this up into the sum of logs, like so. And then here, we can actually reduce this. So 3 to what power is 27? That's 3. And that's it. Okay, so you always want to simplify anything you can. These ones you won't be able to simplify because they have variables in them, because 3 to any power won't give you a variable. Let's try another example here. Okay, so same deal. We got 32, W, S, and T, so that's four things, so we can split this up into the sum of 4 logs. And then again, because this is a number here, we want to simplify this. So 2 to what power gives us 32? That's 5. And that's how that simplifies. Okay, so now what if you wanted to go the other way? Well, I got a couple of examples for that too. Okay, and it works the same way for natural logs. Okay, so I got the sum of products. I got the sum of logs here, so I can condense this into the log of products. And basically, that's it. Okay, here's another one. So same deal, condense that. And I should also mention that this only works if you have logs with the same base. So if we had a log base 2 and a log base 3, you wouldn't be able to combine them into a log base 5. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the product rule. If you need to check out any of the examples, they were just basic examples. Just go ahead and rewind, check them out. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Otherwise, I will catch you next time. Thanks for tuning in.